guys, welcome back to the another fresh video. Today's video is on the M1 chip by Apple. Apple has done a tremendous work on their own chip called M1. This new chip will be used in new upcoming MacBook Air and Pro. Now before the launch of M1, Apple uses Intel processors in their Mac. After the entry of M1, Apple uses M1 instead of Intel processors. Let's check the new M1 chip by Apple. It is the fastest chip ever built on a laptop segment. The M1 is the whole new chip introduced by the Apple. Let's start with the size of the chip. Before M1, Apple has to make several separate columns for CPU, GPU and input-output port. In the new M1, it is merged in a single chip which makes the machine even more integrated and gives the higher performance. The new M1 chip has 16 billion transistors which give you lightning fast speed in a millisecond. The M1 is built on 5nm technology and it also enhances machine learning technology. It can give you 11 trillion operations per second with the help of 16-core engine. And when it comes to graphical and editing, it has up to 8-core GPU which is highest in any CPU till now. Here is the quick graph of M1 chip versus other latest PC laptop chip. The M1 chip can give highest performance using only 1/4 power. This makes this chip world's best CPU performance per watt. If we compare with the other latest processor, the M1 chip is 3.5 times faster and GPU speed is up to 5 times faster. It has largest battery life ever in a MacBook Air. Also with the type of performance, there is no fan in the new Mac design. The best part of M1 chip is it generates almost very less heat and giving the best performance in the market. Using this chip, Apple has launched its new MacBook which is small in size but not in speed. There is a quick overview of Apple MacBook key features. Touch ID is one touch is all it takes to lock and unlock MacBook Air. Use your fingerprint to rent a movie, buy an app or access things like secure documents or system settings with the Touch ID. The new MacBook comes with the next generation of Wi-Fi 6 with up to 1.6 Gbps throughput. Once again, Apple has made a revolutionary step up and makes industry and competition to the higher level. The M1 chip and MacBook Air comes with advanced security and privacy features beyond anything in its class. It has Touch ID, dedicated AES encryption engine and activation lock, making this year Mac more secure ever. The Apple also upgraded the UI, camera performance and also in design. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to hit like button and also subscribe for the latest tech reviews and news.